Happy Monday, friends. Let's recap one of my favorite Thredup boxes that I do, which is the Fun Box. Now, the last recap that I did about a Fun Box, I lost money on that one. This one that we're going to recap, I made money. So let's see what sold, where it sold, and for how much. So this particular Fun Box I ordered on almost a year ago, September 8th of 2022. And at the time they were $32. And this one had 11 items in it. Every now and then I might get an extra item. It doesn't happen super often anymore, but this one in particular had 11 items. The first item that was in the box was a pair of Robert Lee Morris earrings. And these were new in the box, which is great. The problem is, they were damaged, like pretty badly actually. They were a painted earring and super scratched up. I almost didn't list them, but I know Robert Lee Morris has a cult following. So I thought, well, maybe somebody can repurpose them or do something with them. So this pair of earrings did eventually sell on eBay for $6. I'll take it. All right, the next item that was in the box was kind of a boho earring set. This one I still have and have not sold yet. It is still listed. It's got kind of like a faux turquoise hoops and some different studs. Just like a fashion kind of boho Southwest earring set. So that is still listed. So that one is a $0. The next item that was in the box was a new on card Vera Bradley mom bracelet. Oh, super cute. Gold tone, had some rhinestones on it, was lovely. I ended up keeping this and I gifted it to my mom and she wears it all the time. So, and it looks great on her. So that one was a $0, but it was a great gift for my mom. The next item that was in the box was a pair of Vera Wang hose. And you know, you get hose quite often in these fun boxes. This one has not sold. It is still listed, so that one is a $0. The next item that was in the box was a pair of socks, and these, I believe, were like a give back sock. They were blue with little bicycles on them, and these did sell on eBay for $6. The next item that was in the box was a pair of Adidas kind of ankle socks. It was a big pack of socks. I believe they were black and white. And I ended up giving those to one of my kids. So we repurposed those ourselves. And those, for the purposes of this video, are a $0. The next item that was in the box was a white scarf. This one was kind of a lightweight, gauzy type scarf. There was no branding on this, but I went ahead and listed it because sometimes with the Fun Box, I will list items that maybe I wouldn't normally list to see how much money I can make back on the box. And this sold on Poshmark for $10. So just goes to show even those unbranded scarves will sell. The next item that was in the box was a Vera Bradley lunch kit. This was also new with tags. And I had a big burst of people buying lunch kits right before school started. So this sold actually pretty recently on eBay for $20. The next item that was in the box is a pair of Eddie Bauer pajama set. This actually sold right away, which was awesome, on eBay for $19. The next item that was in the box was a pair of Lily Pulitzer slippers, also new, and these were so cute. The print was adorable, and I knew that these would have no problem selling, and did sell on eBay for $29. The last item that was in the box still hasn't sold. It is a yoga mat bag, and it is new, and so I think eventually it will sell. It is the Academy brand? I believe it's the Academy brand yoga mat. So I still have that listed. Maybe I'll relist it, drop the price a little bit, but I'm sure that that will sell. But for this purpose of this video is a $0. So what a great fun box, right? I paid $32 for the box. My total revenue on this box is $90. But when you subtract out the cost of the box and my fees and different things like that, my total profit to date is $50.25. And that's with me giving my kids the socks, my mom the bracelet, and some items that still haven't sold. Thank you so much for joining me for this recap. This was a quick one. I will be here tomorrow doing an unboxing for a denim box. It'll be my first one from Thredup, so make sure you tune in on Tuesday for that. And then on Thursday, I will be unboxing a designer box. If you're not subscribed to the channel, please